Good evening, everyone, to the respected faculty members, members of the LRI team, and my dear participants. My name is Abada. I'll be the moderator of today, and Harsh will be the moderator of the course. So, if you have any issues or concerns, don't hesitate to get in touch with the number that is provided. So, that is Harsh Gaurav. He'll be the moderator of the course. So, your participation is a key to making this a valuable learning experience, and we look forward to your active engagement throughout the course. So, this online certificate course on legal research writing will help you understand the research changes and developments in the research writing, and for you to understand the steps and process for the research writing or article or your paper, etc. So, legal research and analysis is a platform that is created to help you understand the technicalities of law and the latest legal developments. Our goal is to provide comprehensive and easy to understand legal information to users and make such information which can be easily available on the internet. So, we have a team of experienced and highly talented legal professionals as well who are well versed in the global legal system, particularly in India and many other countries. So we also provide various other courses, certificate courses on contract drafting, women's rights, Constitution of India, human rights, remote journalism, etc. So this legal research and analysis was founded by Mr. Pranav Jha sir and Mr. Uzair Ansari sir. Mr. Pranav Jha sir has served as a junior research consultant at the National Human Rights Commission. He has completed his LLM in Access to Justice from Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, and graduated with distinction in BA LLB honors from Aligarh Muslim University, Murshidabad Center. So he had been joint secretary of the Law Society, secretary of the Kazan Club, and a senior editor of the Law Gazette. He has interned at UVA, NHRC, BSLSA, DALSA, and also under notable figures. He has been active participant in research, seminars, moot courts, debates, and he has numerous publications to his name. So we welcome you to the session, sir.
Thank you so much, Abida. Maybe I'll come once you are done with the introductory round.
Sure. Thank you, sir. So we have Mr. Uzair Ansari, sir, who's a multifaceted individual with a diverse range of achievements and experience. He's a law graduate from Aligarh Muslim University as well as graduate in life sciences from the same institution. He's an entrepreneur, programmer, philanthropist, war analyst, musician, and established author of several books. So we welcome you to this session as well, sir. So currently, Uzair sir is serving as a chief executive officer at LRA. Now we are honored to introduce our esteemed faculty speaker, Nikita Vats ma'am, a seasoned academic and researcher with extensive experience in the field of international affairs as a doctoral research fellow at Jindal School of International Affairs. Nikita ma'am brings a wealth of expertise and practical insights to the classroom. With a passion for research and commitment to excellence, Nikita ma'am is dedicated to empowering participants with the tools and techniques necessary to produce high quality research writing. So we welcome you to the session as well, ma'am. So participants, as we proceed further, there are few guidelines that you have to follow. Attendees must join using proper names to facilitate communication and networking, and cameras should be turned on to foster a sense of engagement and participation. So kindly turn on your cameras. Please dress appropriately as you would for a professional setting and keep your microphones muted unless instructed otherwise by the moderator to minimize the background noise. So participants are expected to maintain decorum and refrain from disruptive behavior or language. So you will have to also submit an assignment, which is mandatory for us to issue your certificate. So you will have to write a research paper on the topic of your interest, and you should submit by the deadline that is given in the timeline. So all other guidelines is given in the timeline. So kindly check for the same. So you will have to write a research paper and also produce a plagiarism report along with it. So with that, we are done with the introduction. Now I would like to call Pranav sir to say a few words regarding the same.
Thank you so much, Abida. It really means a lot. So first of all, I welcome all of you on the behalf of Legal Research and Analysis. I believe a certificate course on legal research is something which is of pivotal importance. And all of you who have joined this course might be having some experience, maybe in the field or maybe in their first years or second years, or maybe also a professional in their areas. So definitely this course is going to help you to enhance your skill set. But mind you, the lecturers or the lecture which is going to be provided to you, you all have to take it in a very disciplined manner. I believe that the course curriculum has been designed in such a manner that it suits to the suitability of the interest. And now it's all about the research. It's all about the legal research, if I be more specific. Because prior to this, we always introduce a research writing certificate course. But this is the first time we are introducing a legal research. The reason is we have understood that since myself belonging to the legal fraternity, I believe that legal research is something which is again a important area where all the professionals would want to work more or enhance their skill sets on those areas. So we have designed it in a similar manner because we were getting a lot of responses and requests regarding the course which is to be scheduled. So I believe that Nikita Vats ma'am, who is going to be the point person who's going to guide you throughout the process, she is going to teach you how to write a good quality legal research paper. So now, the a common query or common problem which I see to, or always tend to see that people are not maybe following up from the day one. Like if there are 8 lectures in total, so what all the students are doing is they are missing some of the sessions, and at the last they are again struggling with the process to write a good quality research paper. One thing more, I would maybe rather suggest all of you to not very much rely on the AI tools like ChatGPT and other prompts, which are very easy to maybe come up with. But again, when it comes to your cognitive faculty of mind, I think there is a problem where you actually need to work on. So you have to be more for a strategy point of view. Maybe you can use ChatGPT just for an instance to give a framework, but again, do not rely on the same because I want you to use your own legal acumen and understand how good you can do with the whole process. Let's say for any topic if you wish to write. Let's, for example, if you want to write something on amalgamation of artificial intelligence and law, right? So if you want to write something on the same, so maybe for chat for some maybe just for the primary knowledge, you can use ChatGPT as one of the factors, but do not rely on the whole thing. So try to do more literature review in the whole process. So any research paper should include 5 to 6 basic details. Number one, abstract. Number two, introduction. Number three, literature review. Number four, data collection, data analysis. Then you have to do a research methodology where you have to devise a research question, research objective, and then you have to do the very important part, that is data analysis, which is very technical. So you need to also understand which are the tools like SPSS tools and other tools are there, which you actually need to collect the data and then analyze it. And then comes the finding, recommendations, conclusion, and the bibliography in the references section. So, for as far as the references are concerned, you have that liberty to have a uniform mode of citation. It can be APA, MLA, Chicago, Blue Book. Most of the law students prefer, or the law professionals prefers law book, Blue Book, or Scholar citation, right? So you have your own choice. Whatever mode of citation you choose, mind it that uniformity should be maintained. Anyway, in the upcoming lectures, the faculty is going to teach you and make you understand each and every point in detail. So try not to hustle, settle down. All the queries will be taken care of. But why I am saying all of these things is because you need to understand the importance of this particular certificate course. It's not just about certificate. It's about you. It's about your sense of understanding towards the thing, and then writing or penning it down your thought process into the pen and paper, right? Then only if it qualifies to the criteria of the publication, we will get it published on our website. And fortunately, we are also going to get the ISSN number, so you will get a chance to maybe index your article there also. So I believe these are some of the set of things which are going to come up only after you make your due discipline work throughout the process. I think this is what I would want to tell from my end, and it's a general request that who I believe that more than 50 participants have joined this particular course, but only I can see 30, 35 students have joined the first day. So try to maintain the attendance because that is again very important. And the moderator is Mr. Harsh. He is not present today due to some reason, but he will be there to guide you. So do not worry about how to go about, how to write the assignment, what are the details. Everything will be taken care of very smoothly and seamlessly. And I believe the faculty that is Madam Nikita Vats. She is also a very well-versed PhD research scholar, where she has a depth of knowledge about the areas. So everything will be taken care of by her. So I think with this, I would like to wish you all the best with the course. And it's a humble request to please kindly attend all the lectures. Try not to miss any lectures and do not rely on recordings. We do provide recorded lectures, but for that you have to mention specific reasons that why were you not able to present or maybe why were you not able to attend the lecture, right? So I think that this was enough from my end to come up or maybe introduce about the whole course curriculum. Maybe now, Abhida, you can slightly ask other people to introduce themselves, maybe about their course, why they have joined the course, why and what are their expectations from the course, and such things like that. Okay, Abhida?
Sure, Sasha. Thank you.
Perfect.
So I would also now like to welcome Nikita ma'am officially to the orientation of the course. And if you have any few words, if you want to share, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Abida. And you are still. I'm surprised that we have a connection because you always have to come to the rescue at the last moment. So thank you so much for that, and thank you so much, Pranav sir, for stepping in. So I would just like to say that I'll try to give you the fundamentals for the legal research. For me, see, I personally feel that research is research, whatever you do in whatever field you do. And there are some basic steps that we have to follow for if we do research in the field of social sciences or legal field. So I'll try and talk about those things in details. So I'll talk about research methodology in details, and then how exactly you can do literature review, how exactly you can download papers, and structurization, what citation tools you can use, how you can cite your paper, and what exactly is the flow of the paper, how you can actually go about it. So we'll talk about all these things, and the design of the course has been in such a manner that we'll gradually move forward, and each day we will be talking about something which is like, for instance, we'll talk about how you can finalize your research topic. That is a very basic thing. And then we would talk about how exactly once you have finalized, how you can collect the data, how you can so basically, if you have finalized something, that doesn't mean it is actually research worthy. So we'll try and understand whether the topic is research worthy, whatever you have chosen. So we'll talk about it, and then how exactly we decide that the topic that you have chosen is research worthy or not. So for that, we need to talk about the literature review, the existing literature that is there in your field that you are trying to pursue research in. So we'll talk about that, how you can collect the literature, how you can read the literature, because sometimes what happens is there is a lot of data which is there on the internet these days, so we have to filter that out. So we'll talk about that as well. Then we'll talk about the methodology that you can follow, and then this is how we'll move forward. Then we'll talk about data collection, analysis, and everything. So we'll gradually move forward, and we'll reach data analysis at the end. So I hope by the end of the course, that is for 1 month, you would be able to write something on your own. And after that also, that would be just one paper that you have to write for one research article that you have to write for the LRA. But I hope that in future also, after finishing this course, you would be able to publish and perish, because that is what we researchers have to do these days. If you don't publish, you don't perish. So it's very important to get published and stay in the limelight. So all the best. And if you have any doubts, we'll try and make the sessions very interactive, so that whatever doubts you have, you can technically ask me during the session itself. And so I would just make a small request. that if we are discussing some topic, make try to ask questions related to that particular topic. Like if you are talking about literature review, I would just suggest you ask questions about literature review, and then if you are talking about data analysis, so because we will be gradually moving forward. So if we are just talking about literature review and you will ask me questions about the data analysis, so that becomes very messy. So that's my only request. But please try and make the sessions very interactive. I would love to hear about what exactly your expectations are from the course, and that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And yes, participants, if you have any queries, you can always ask her. She would be more happy and enthusiastically talking about all the queries and answers. So you can make use of the best time given. And now I would like to move on to the next part, that is the introduction part. So we would like to know the participant's name, background, and the reason that you've joined this course and what you're expecting from the course, so that we'll also know what are your expectations. And participants, this is my third time telling you, kindly turn on your cameras. Today we are not going to have any session, it's interaction between us. So kindly turn on your cameras for the same. And you can raise your hand so that I can call out names who want to go first. Okay, Priyagini ma'am, you can go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Priya Sharma and I'm an advocate. I've completed my BLLB in 2019 and I've also completed my LLM in 2023 and 2024. And since then, since 2020, I'm into the preparation for judicial services examination. So my main concern, the problem I faced is basically how actually to do legal research. I have made my research paper in my LLM also and LLB days also, but it was not that up to the mark because I don't know how to use Manupatra or the other platforms which are there. So it's really essential for me in this course to understand that how to actually formulate your legal research and how can I learn like it's like when I open Google or some other AI devices, so it's something like I am not able to formulate it in a very beautiful way. It's something like copy paste. So how to initially go into the depth and learn about the legal research, so that was, and how to use the tools, how to actually access them, how to basically do the legal research in a real way. So that was the reason for joining the course. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So that is our problem, I guess. We have everything around, but still to formulate it properly the way we want is the reason that we joined research writing course. That is a major reason I joined research writing course as well with LRA. So I do understand that.
Um,
Thank you. So I can see no raised hands. I'm going to just call out names. Okay, Anusha, ma'am, you can go ahead.
Hi, Anusha this side. I'm really sorry I can't like turn on my video today, but I am a second year criminology student. I'm pursuing my degree from Ambedkar University, and it's my last semester, so I'm writing a dissertation. And the topic of my dissertation is related to prisons. So I'm not a law student, but a humanities student, and that's why I guess I like struggle a lot with how to do proper research. So yeah, that's why I basically joined it, because I have been struggling with my dissertation. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Rajwinder, ma'am, you can go ahead. Ma'am, you're on mute.
Sorry. Hi, good evening, everyone. I am Rajvinder, and I have completed my LLB and doing final year of LLM. And same thing, I'm struggling as I have to go ahead with the dissertation. So I don't know actually how to start and what all should, what are the tools. And basically, you can say I don't know where to start. So this is the main reason I have joined this course so that I can publish a good paper. That's
Sure.
it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Lipika,
I
ma'am,
believe
you
this
can.
is very smart of everyone who are joining these courses because they are at the verge of getting it or seeking a sense of understanding or clarity. I think this course will help all of those who have joined for a set purpose. I hope that your purpose will be attained after you complete this course. Thank you for
Yes.
joining.
Lipika, ma'am, you can go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Lipika. I'm from nursing profession actually, I'm professor in nursing college, and I'm pursuing my PhD in nursing only. That's why I'm interested in this research work. So that is the thing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Nikita, you can go ahead. I'm not you. You're on mute.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hi, everyone. My name is Nikita. So I'm actually a lawyer. So I've completed my BBLLB in 2018, and I've done dual LLMs. So I've done one LLM in Christ University, Bangalore, and the other one I've done in UK in Ulster University, Belfast. So right now, I wanted to pursue my PhD. So I'm planning to do it next year probably. But so I've done many papers. I'm already in a verge of publishing one paper. It's just that I need to know more about methodologies because that's where I find it a bit difficult because I'm just confused with what methodology I should use in a particular research when I do papers. When I've done my dissertation, it was fine, like I've managed myself. But when coming to PhD, I need to know more about the research part. So yeah, that's why I've joined the course. Yeah,
Thank you so
that's it.
much. Sanskrit, ma'am, can go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanskrit, and I gave class and I will be joining NLE workshop. As we all know, legal research plays a very important role in reviews and in every law college. So I hope to take the most out of this. Thank you.
Thank you. Sharvi, you can go ahead. Sharvi Elini.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I'm Sharvi Aileni. I've just completed my 12th grade. I'm going to join law college this year. I'm going to be the first year law student. And I was curious what is going to be in this field. And I wanted to improve my writing skills. And I wanted to be productive in this summer holidays. So I've joined this course.
I think Pranav sir wanted to tell your words.
Yeah, same. I believe all the students are very smart that they are utilizing the best time out of which they can do their things done. Great.
Yes, yes. Navatika, you can go ahead.
Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Actually, I'm Nakshita. I'm a first year law student at Symbiosis Law School. I still have some time before my first year starts, but the thing is that I was looking forward and browsing a lot about what courses should I pick up on before I get into law school, and this was something that I got really interested in. So that's why I think I just want to know what, because we know how it works, is how much legal research and writing is needed in law school, and I really would like to have some what skills before I get into it. So thank you. I really hope that this works out really well for everyone. Thank
Thank you so
you.
much. Okay. Carolina, can go ahead.
Good evening, one and all. I'm Caroline Elias. I'm from Kerala and currently I'm working as an assistant professor in Law College in the Kottayam district in Kerala. And in the coming academic year, I'm planning to join for PhD. So thought of knowing about the new updates in this area so that I can complete my work confidently. That's why I joined in this course.
Thank you, ma'am. Navatika Singh, you can go ahead. Navatika Singh, if you're here, you can go ahead.
I just, I just,
Oh, you're not audible? Oh, okay, done. Sure. Sahana, you can go ahead.
Yes, I am Sana, third year law student. I'm currently now studying as a third year law student. So I have done research a lot, and I'm just waiting for an opportunity to publish my work. So
Oh, thank you. Abhijit, you can go ahead. Abhijit, if you're here in the session. Okay, Nalini ma'am can go ahead. And then Anjali ma'am can go ahead.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Nalini Kesharwani. I did my LLB from Rani Durgavati Vishwavidyalaya in 2015 and my LLM in 2018. And right now, currently, I am assistant professor in Nilkant Law College, Jabalpur, and also pursuing PhD. And I think this course will help me in my PhD course. That is why I've chosen this course. Thank you.
Thank you. Abhijit Daviskar. So if you're here, you can go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Abhijit Baviskar. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I have done a diploma in some law field, and now I am working as in a estate agent agency.
So the reason for you to join the course?
The reason is that before 8 years, I have done a diploma in private university, which is related to law field in Maharashtra.
Mhm. Okay, thank you. Anjali Patel, you can go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I am Anjali Patel. Right now, I am in my second year of law school in Indore Institute of Law. I genuinely want to know about the process of making our research paper because I joined many sessions in my college, but that was not work. So, I just want to know initially how to do legal research in proper manner. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Meghna, if you're here, you can go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I am Meghana, and currently I'm studying second year of PLLB, and I actually want to develop my skills, so I joined this course.
Okay, thank you so much. So there are no more raised hands. So participants, the process would be every day, like whatever the timeline is there, you have to follow that, and the classes will be on time. So you will be receiving the Google Meet link, like at least 1 hour or half an hour prior to the class itself. And if by any chance you're not able to attend that session, don't text or call the moderator. Directly email them, because we'll get like hundreds, like for me, though many courses would be happening. So we'll be getting hundreds of calls only for the reason of absence. So kindly email the email ID that is already given in the WhatsApp group. And if you have any queries or any other issues, then you can contact the moderator for the same. And if you have any queries as well, as Nikita ma'am said, you can ask the question while raising your hand. Especially what I do is I keep it in the last part of the session after that whole session is done, that days. You can ask your queries then, because there are so many times that happens is I'll be having a query, but ma'am would have had that in her own class. Maybe she would have kept it in the last part, or take it after like 20 minutes. So let her finish her session. Then if you have any queries, then you can ask her for the same. So that can be done. And your reason of absence should be mentioned if you are on leave. And then the mandatory assignment, if you submit the assignment only, you will be getting your certificate. So keep this in mind. And if your research paper has a plagiarism less than 10%, then it will be considered for publication process. If your article or the research paper is really good, if your research paper is well qualified for the publication, then it will be published on our website, for which you will be notified for the same. And a certificate will also be provided for you on the publication for the same. So if you need your certificate, you will have to submit your assignment along with the plagiarism report, with the given email ID in the timeline, and also the deadline is also given in the timeline as well. So kindly check for the same. So if you have any other queries relating to the course, you can unmute yourself now, and you can ask us that. Anusha, you can go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to make sure about the plagiarism report. How are we supposed to produce it since I don't have any access to the softwares?
Okay, so ma'am, you can also get access on the softwares of Quillbot, Grammarly, or other softwares that are available in the Google. So you
Okay, so
can
we
access
are
that.
like, yeah, sorry. We are supposed to like provide it like on our own, right?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
If you have access to Turnitin, it would be great. If you
Yeah.
don't have, then you can use other software that are available on Google itself.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Participants, is there any other queries you have? You can go ahead.
Yeah, can you please, once again put in the WhatsApp group what are the, guidelines or something for the paper? Can it
Ma'am, it
be
is
done?
already given in the timeline. You can check the same.
It's there in the on the website.
It's on the WhatsApp group itself.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you. Is there any other queries, participants? If you have, you can go ahead now. RK Verma, sir, are you trying to raise your hand? Priyagini, you can go ahead.
I just wanted to ask, ma'am, that whether you will be telling that how will be using, like the major resource, matlab ke, Manupatra and all the other search engines. Will you be teaching that also?
Yeah, as given in the course brochure, it will be taught in the literature review part, and ma'am will go through the websites and then will show you how to deal with those.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And also not just about the legal, there are, so basically Google Scholar is really good. I mean, if you talk about, if you ask me, it is one of the really good database wherein you can find all the papers. So we'll also discuss about the Google Scholar wherein you can apply filters and everything on how you can download the papers. So we'll also discuss that briefly. So don't worry. Yeah.
So if there is no more queries, we can end the orientation session here. So kindly follow the timeline for the same and the classes will go accordingly. If you have any queries, you can get back to the moderator for the same. So I think ma'am can end the session here. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Priya, you can go ahead. Priyangini.
Ma'am, classes are on Monday and
Tuesday.
Acha, Monday and Tuesday. Okay.
Yes, 5:30 to 6:30 is the class timings.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you, participants, for joining the session. So see you in the next course, maybe. I'll be the moderator for the next course, maybe. But see you all in the next class by Nikita, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for joining.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, ma'am.
everyone. It's
Thank
really
you, ma'am.
nice interacting with you and looking forward to see you in the next session and the first official session where we'll be discussing about some serious stuff. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you so much.